I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to beat Block Zone. This popular Roblox game challenges players to survive falling blocks and outlast opponents. To succeed, you need to grasp the fundamental rules, quickly recognize safe spots, and develop excellent movement control. We'll cover essential strategies and advanced techniques to help you dominate the arena and achieve victory consistently. To truly excel, focus on key strategies. Always prioritize collecting power-ups like speed boosts or shields, which can give you a crucial edge for several seconds. Pay close attention to how other players move and where blocks typically fall to anticipate danger. Use the remaining blocks to your advantage, creating small, temporary safe zones or blocking off opponents. Mastering advanced movement and timing is crucial for high-level play. Practice precise jumps and dodges to navigate rapidly changing terrain and avoid falling blocks by mere inches. Cultivate quick reflexes to react instantly to unexpected block drops or opponent attacks. In team modes, communicate effectively with your allies to cover areas and support each other, maximizing your chances of survival. Consistent practice is your best friend in Block Zone. Dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes daily to playing on various maps, familiarizing yourself with their unique layouts. Maintain a calm and focused mindset, especially when the pressure is high, to make clear, strategic decisions. Remember, every round, whether a win or a loss, offers valuable lessons for improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.